Hey, here's a great year Chevy pickup. 1957 Chevrolet 3100 street rod pickup in a step side. I'd call this kind of a smoke gray, medium gray exterior on it. So paint is in nice shape. A little older paint, but still holding up very nicely. Will you find imperfections in it? Yeah, I'm sure there's a few here and there, but overall very, very showable. Not a problem showing up in any of your local cruise-ins, roll-ins, local shows with this truck. Turn some heads. As you can see, the chrome and everything up front. Bright work, also nice shape, good reflection to it. Now, under that hood, here's the good part. It's got a ZZ4 crate engine, so it's got a 350 Chev underneath there. Of course, that was one of GM Performance Parts' most popular high-performance engines. Putting out 355 horse, 405 pound-feet of torque, and that's at 3,600 RPMs. Very flat torque line on this one. So you get the old seat of the pants feel from stoplight all the way up through cruising speed. That ZZ4 is paired with a 3-speed manual transmission on the column with overdrive. There's an overdrive lever underneath the dash. Pull out when you're hitting highway speed. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see what I'm talking about that engine bay underside of this vehicle interior, check out the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to the website where you can see the pictures. Feel free to call us too. 507-386-1726. This truck has been in our area for some time, and we do know the previous owners on it, so do know a little bit about this truck. Riding on US mag wheels, Cooper Cobra rubber, front disc brakes up front. And as you can see up and down this truck, pretty darn straight truck. Previous owners of this truck drove it. This truck did not sit. Has been driven. They weren't afraid to jump in it, go 50 miles, 100 miles with it. Now, a couple things that are going to come with this. Rubber stripping seal for the doors. The door seal stripping right here is brand new stuff. Never been installed. That goes with it. This is the old stuff that was on it. Still in nice shape. That new stuff just a little more soft, a little more pliable. And then in this box here, it is a new set of door vent windows, the chrome frame variety for 55 to 59 pickups. So those vent windows with the chrome frames will be included in this. Will be in the truck when it's shipped. All right, as you can see, the bed hardware, nice shape back here also, not all rotted away as far as the wood goes. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist you in getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. So consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. All right, let's check out the interior of this. Nice door cards or door panels. Little pocket sewn in. Power seats. So basically cloth buckets in here. Look like similar to what may have been in, what, 90s to 2000s Tahoes, Yukons possibly. Seat belts installed. Other than that, pretty stock looking dash with the exception of steering wheel. That aftermarket tack that's on the steering column. And a Jensen aftermarket radio. Radio does work. I've had the wipers working. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear that ZZ motor. I also noticed it appeared amps gauge work, oil pressure gauge works, gas gauge works, and that temp gauge did move too when the keys turned on. So assuming that the temp gauge does work also. Blower fan did work. I switched that earlier. Blower fan did work also. You can see dash is painted to match the exterior of the truck. Stock looking speedometer and odometer. Listen to that engine, good sounding. Also has a headliner installed there. Get a look at that. It's a nice cruising interior. Be Nice comfortable ride in there. Alright, slip around to the back. We got a little rumble coming out of that. Crate 350 TZ. 355 horsepower. This one does have aluminum heads. Edelbrock carburetor on it, HEI ignition if I remember right. Tell you what, I'm going to pause this. Let's go ahead and pop the hood. Let's check this engine out. Alright, hood pop. So first off, got a nice cowl with a fan. Output cooling. It's always nice to see that on these. There you go. There's the Crate 350. AC engine. HEI ignition back there. Again, aluminum heads. Edelbrock carb. That's a nice dress up with the Chevrolet flat black valve covers and air cleaner cover. Nice running, nice sounding engine. So there you have it. You're looking for a popular year street rod pickup? Here you go, 1957 Chevrolet 3100 stepside, kind of a smoke gray. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website. Check out the pictures. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. So ask your sales consultant when you call in or email.